roll in the John Deere and you're turning 4, you can't get a better life than this. And by the way, Mr. Barcelona, while you got that mower in the back of that John Deere, if you want to stop by my house and maybe help out with the lawn, I would love it. Happy birthday to Geo Barcelona, turning the big number 4.
All right, next we have Novalee
beautiful
January.
Name. Oh my God.
I know, I've never heard that name.
I haven't either. And I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. A gorgeous name and a gorgeous picture.
Yes, so Novalee is turning 6 years old out of Pittsburgh, and Novalee has love from Dad, Mom, and the whole family.
Novalee, you are blessed with such a marvelous name. That is one of those things when she becomes a young adult, she's gonna be queen of the castle. It's gonna be like, what a great name. Yeah, that's so cool.
And that's
Zoe,
a cool photo.
You know what else is a great name? Zoe. Zoe Powell. And Zoe, I say that because I actually have a niece by that exact same name. And I love this picture as well. That is colorful as can be. Zoe turns the big number 9 tomorrow. Or no, she did it over the weekend. My bad. But yes, Zoe celebrated over the weekend, and we will continue it all the way into June for you, Zoe.
Also having a Saturday birthday was Cecily Kennedy. Cecily, it turned 12 years old and is out of Goodman. So happy birthday, Cecily. Hope you had a great weekend.
Can I jump in?
Yeah.
Cicely.
Okay.
It's okay.
I mean, there's this one SNL, and her name is Cecily, so I just kind of assumed that's how it was.
Yeah, I know.
So do you know?
No, it's cool.
Sorry about that, Cecily. I am so sorry. Oh my gosh.
Oh, stop.
I'll just leave now.
No, that would be just like knowing the Kennedys. Yeah, that's all it is. We love you, Cicely. Happy birthday. Hunter Earl, turning 15. I'm down with it. Like, it took me a while because Bronte knows I'm an old man, but like I'm down with the shades on top of the hat. I get it. It's
Are they
practical.
upside down?
Hunter's turning 15 in Jasper, and so my whole thing about the shades is, what it does is blocking the J. Because he's out there, he's got Jasper Eagle pride. And yeah, so I want to point out, that's a J on top of that hat. Happy birthday, Hunter.
All right, turning 21 years old is Heather Finley, and Heather is out of Chanute.
We got Haley Hensley turning 22. Now, that is Haley on the right, and that's Ashton on the left. Ashton had a birthday earlier this month, and then Haley celebrates right now and turning 22, and a very happy birthday to Haley in Pittsburgh.
All right, we have Kinsey Clark turning 25 years old. Kinsey, that is a great photo. I can't tell where that's taken, but that looks super cool.
It was actually in the Swarovski backyard, which you people don't know.
Is that what people think that California looks like?
Right. Kinsey and her significant other actually took that in Bronte's backyard, right here in the Four States. Amanda Beard turning Miss Amanda, that woman is awesome. Miss Amanda's turning 42. Amanda, a very happy birthday to you in Columbus.
We have Mickey Hitchcock turning 48 years old, and Mickey is out of Joplin. Have a great day and happy birthday.
Albert Budd had a birthday a little bit ago, but I wanted to make sure that we were able to include him. And as he turns 74, and Albert, I want you to know this comes with love from family and friends. Curtis Nida with a birthday as well. A very happy birthday to you, Mr. Curtis. He is in Miami.
We have Craig Rennie.
Who?
Craig
Who?
Rennie out of Columbus.
Dude?
So fun fact, he is our master control operator, Daniel Rennie's father.
Well, not fun. That is a fun fact, but also too, he's one of the nicest dudes you're gonna meet. and it's a tribute that he raised Daniel, because Craig, you know we love you, and a very happy birthday. That is great. Kevin and Tiffany Yarnell are celebrating their 24th anniversary. What a gorgeous picture that is as well. My goodness, look at that background right there.
Seriously.
That is tremendous. So a very happy birthday to Kevin and Tiffany, celebrating 24 years in Erie.
Another anniversary, we have Brian and Don Carlson. They are celebrating their 30th anniversary, and they are out of Pittsburgh. So
check this one out.
What?
51 years for Tom and Deanna Lockmiller.
Wow.
Trevor, Don. They're celebrating their 51st anniversary. And I tell you what, if you look at the two of them, like they don't even look 51 themselves.
Right?
That's it. I mean, it's
I was surprised by it when I saw
it's
51
like,
years.
Lockmillers, they live life right. 51 years of marriage, and they don't look 51. So congratulations, Tom and Deanna. And Tom Vossicki, that dude, yeah, who that is. That's one of our own right there. One of our master control operators. Tremendous, tremendous gentleman. Absolutely love you, Tom. And by the way, folks, if I could peel back the curtain right now, we've got people just like going crazy, saying go to break. And so, do we have Bill McCumber? Yeah! Happy birthday to Bill McCumber. Susan Payne, a happy 61st birthday in Eldo. Garrick Alford, celebrating 46 in Questline. Happy birthday, Garrick. And Marvin Bond, a happy birthday in Anderson. Be back with more KOAM Morning News right after.